something really bad happened.
Hey guys, it's Naya and Ellie, and today we're doing Don't Choose the One Piggy Bank.
That's right, we have all these cute little piggy banks. Look at their little bodies and their little numbers and their cute faces. And look at that 14 is rolled backwards. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. This is our new channel, Naya versus Ellie. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you don't subscribe, this is not the Naya and Ellie Toy Show. You're going to miss out on all our fun and cool videos. But before we get started, let's go ahead and do rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Looks like Team Little Sister is going to go first. She gets to pick the first number. If you want to vote for Ellie, make sure you're putting your Team Little Sister / Team Ellie Corn down below. If you want to vote for Big Sister's team, which is Naya, make sure you're putting hashtag Team Big Sister or Naya Corn down below. And let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is pour in a base of clear glue. Here you go, and here you go.
No. Why? Oh. Ellie just started pouring. I was already done. I'm done.
Okay, throw those away.
Why is it so easy?
Because they're smaller than the gallon one. Okay, Team Little Sister, you pick a number first.
13.
13, lucky number 13. And
I was looking at it.
It looks like he has a nosebleed. He has a little snot. In fact, let me just poke his little nose so you can
Are you gonna kill the poor little
his little delicious cat nose cavity. Get this snot out.
What's nose cavity?
His nose cavity.
Oh, I got notes of cabbage. Ew.
Notes of cabbage.
Nose
Yes,
cabbage.
let's get his no cabbage open. There he is. All right, Ellie, let's see what you have. Pour him out. You can just dump him through his nose. Pour his nose over. So he has a snotty nose. Oh, we can't see him.
Oh, yay, blue. When I get pink, I'll be yellow.
All right, you can take the top off. He looks so gross.
Ew. I'm like, pulling.
Naya, are you here?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
All right, so Ellie has blue glue.
Wait, I can see the white in there.
All right, Team Big Sister, here you go.
It looks like blue ketchup.
I'm gonna take the messed up one. 4, that's messed up. It's messed up on the outside and it's messed up on the inside.
Okay, so here is our 4. We have a purple piggy. You can kind of see something in there, but not really. Let's see. You want to open him up and just, won't you just go ahead and open him because he gets a little messy if you try to pour through his nose.
Oh, can I open him?
He won't open?
No.
It was a
one-eye, purple either.
There you go.
One-eye.
Oh, you got purple.
Oh, he's starting to bleed through.
Purple.
If you got pink, I'll be mad.
Yeah, I thought I got pink at first. This is still my second favorite color, so I'm like...
It's a lavender.
I do like blue sometimes, but not a lot.
Okay, Ellie, here's your turn. Guys, have you voted for your favorite team yet? Please leave a comment. We read it.
Without a change.
Let's see. What do you have? You have number 10. Okay, Naya's getting something for her little cough, as you can see, and we're going to keep going. Ellie, I'm going to unscrew this a little bit so you can take his nose off and pour him in. Unscrew his head.
God, are you serious?
You can throw everything away. Be careful. All right, what do you have?
Oh, guys, don't you love my beautiful art? It's a person with like a yellow body and like some galaxy hair. I'm gonna make his head, so this is gonna be like his giant head. Guys, this is his body, and this is his beautiful
Ellie, I don't
head.
mean any disrespect. This looks nothing like any type of creature with a head. Oh.
Oh, there's something really bad happened.
Team Naya, let's go.
8.
Number 8.
I go number 8. Sorry.
Oh, okay. So she has a purple. Do you want me to loosen him up?
I think
He has a little snot on his nose. Oh, let's see. You got green.
What feels awkward teal green?
Wait.
All right, Team Little Sister, here you go.
If I get blue, I know what color I'm getting.
16 with dotted trade.
16 with no dot of trade. Ellie swears she has dot of trade.
Wait, it looks like an IT kind of.
Ellie swears she has dot of trade everywhere.
What if we did something?
Oh, and look at this one. He has snot in his nose.
Can I see? Oh. Mine is gonna be a lot. Oh, mine's a blue. Ooh la la.
Ellie keep getting blue. I needed a blue. If I get pink, then I'll be happy.
All right, here you go, Naya.
Okay, guys. I got number 12.
Here is Naya's number 12. I wonder what it could be. Well, we kind of saw it because I dropped it. But
Well,
I'll
guys.
undo it for you. Go ahead.
Oh, it's orange. That was the best show ever in the whole universe.
Yeah.
All right, so Ellie has a blue one. I already opened his nose. Go ahead and pour him out.
Ooh, orange.
Thank you, orange. Mess up the color. And then you all the mess up.
What we got, Black?
All right, throw this away and throw away your piggy.
I'll be jealous, kind of. You got gold glitter. Mommy, I'm scared.
Here you go, Naya.
I'll be so mad.
All right,
14.
number 14.
I think she got more like those beads. I'm not telling you what I got. I'm gonna look. I think she got a white pair.
OMG, I got white.
And a giant. You look like kind of like popcorn, kind of.
Like with spicy butter. This is just spicy butter.
Spicy butter, white spicy butter.
No, this is the spicy butter. And this is
And what's the white part?
the popcorn.
Wait, oh, it could be wet.
Yeah, that
ones?
looks just like it, Naya. Uh-huh.
Number 15 with Dollar Trade.
Okay, number 15 with no Dollar Trade.
Okay.
All right.
Ellie,
Ooh, I hear this little piggy sounds like he's been at the market
This little
eating.
piggy went to the market.
Here you go.
This little piggy went to the bathroom. This little piggy went to the toilet.
you are so jealous because I have.
What? How am I jealous?
Look, it's like hockey.
All right, Team Big Sister.
3.
Number 3. This little piggy went to the
Market.
market.
This little piggy went to the toilet, and this little piggy didn't see light again.
What?
This little piggy went to the woods, and this little piggy didn't see light again. The light
Okay,
again.
well, that's a delightful children's story you
Yeah.
just told.
Ew, is that? Ew.
Ooh, Ellie. Oh yeah.
She got pink glue. Ellie's looking a little funny.
I'm not jealous. That looks like a volcano, kinda.
You're kind of right. It does.
It does look like a volcano.
With like lava with pink brain lava.
This is a
and
blue
then
Pink
lava.
brain lava. Is there such thing as pink brain lava?
I
Oh,
don't
it looks
know.
like a soup. With pimples
Ew, a soup with pimples.
and eyeballs.
That is so gross. All right, so
That
now it
sounds-
is Team Ellie's
Guys,
turn.
don't eat while you're watching
I-
this
Here you go, Team.
I got not B for BB
Let me see. B.
for victory.
You got 9. Okay, so she has a number
Well,
9.
she didn't say Dollar Tree.
Guys, look at this number 9. He got a little bit
Ellie
he
had.
got a little ugly. I accidentally hit him. I hit him with my car. Sorry, Piggy. All right. Here you go, Ellie.
You should have said that. I think you should have. I think it's
It's red. Why should I have said that? Because it's red.
Yeah, he's bleeding.
He's
Ellie,
bleeding.
that is so evil.
Who's gonna win this? Are you gonna win, Team Little Sister?
Oh, I thought that we.
Or are you gonna win, Team Big Sister?
Of course, Naya always wins, guys. Put in the comments who left me.
Ellie's not. Ellie's looking.
Put me in the comments, deal.
Oh no.
Here you go,
Oh,
Team.
no, they don't. That's
Team
that.
Naya. Let's go.
Thumbs up here. Thumbs up here.
Someone with the Dollar Trade.
Oh, this is hurting Ellie because she has been looking for the Dollar Trade the whole time. So we're gonna pull out Naya's bank, which is right here. This is her number 7.
Bang.
Got an extra 13.
2 of Dollar Trade.
Oh!
Yeah.
Dude, how do we keep getting a double dot of trade?
I don't know.
Okay, so this is Ellie's bank, and this is Naya's bank. Because they both have dot of trade, they're gonna have to do a rock paper scissors. Whoever wins, they get to choose to keep theirs or trade for the other one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Ow.
I already win this.
Okay, so Naya, are you going to keep
Trade.
your number 7 or are you going to trade for number 2?
I'm gonna trade.
All right, so let's take a look at Naya's first since she traded. Since she won, let's see.
Oh, I'm really so happy.
Yay! No, you're so mean.
You're so mean, Naya.
I will take
Ellie, no! Get away from him!
All right, so now, oh, Ellie, yours looks like an abstract painting. So Ellie, here is yours. He's already loose. Just pull him, just pour him out. I was gonna say, just pull him through. Oh, you have mint, a teal.
Ooh.
Naya's looking some kind of way.
No, why did I trade? But I do get these pretty beads. You should have got this.
Yeah, Ellie, but
big.
this has pink in it, so. Why did I trade actually? That's okay. Ellie's will turn red. It will turn purple. Then it will turn brown.
I almost dropped this. So
All right, so now it is Team Big Sister again. Okay, Naya, what number do you have?
11 was the dollar's trade.
Are you kidding me? You little skunk.
Stone.
All right.
Just shaking everything.
All right, here you go, Naya. Pour it in.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, what in the world? Why do I keep getting? I keep getting these like beads, colorful beads too.
Can I see what the
No! Ellie!
So Naya got gumball beads. They aren't actually gumballs. They just are the beads of them. Now we've come to the final round, and you ladies know what that means.
Yeah, I wish.
Take your number. Take your number. We have, before you open it, let's let everybody know what numbers you have left. You have a 1, and we have we have number 6. Ladies, go ahead and open your number.
Number 6.
what without a trade?
Oh, so this is not a usual trade last round.
Wait, do we have to do
Because-
trade 2 times?
No, just one trade. Because she has the dot of trade, that means, Ellie, you can pick to stay with your number 1, or you can choose to go with number 6.
Number 6.
Yes!
She's taking number 6. Okay, so we're gonna open it up and let Ellie pour that out. She has yellow snow foam.
Because that would be good for your popcorn, but Sally, I had to take it.
Ellie, you covered up all that pretty
Yeah, what?
art.
That was
Now I
terrible.
can't see the beautiful art.
Give
you
me
had.
this.
Now Naya has number 1. Let's see what it is.
If you open it, mommy, don't open it.
Okay, here you go. You're looking nervous.
What is color is this?
Oh, yay! I love Emmy. Ew, yeah.
That is a deep purple.
Now my slime's gonna definitely turn purple.
So let's get a close-up of these final slimes before we start mixing. Team Little Sister, let's take a look at yours.
I can't wait to
You
mix
want to
with
blow
you.
your beads around a little bit so we can see it? Ooh, look at that artwork,
I
guys.
have lots of.
It's kind of looking like trypophobia.
Oh, mommy, mine looks like.
Not
Wait,
yours.
pink!
Hers looks like trypophobia.
Wait, this is pink.
All right, Ellie's excited because
Mine's rainbow. Yes! Yes!
Yeah, but when it mixes,
All right,
it
and
doesn't.
so here is Team Big Sister. Let us know if you like this one. Ooh, okay, she just blew her beads and everybody's down.
Yes!
Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put some
That's a lot.
in her.
Can I mix with my hand?
No, you cannot.
That looks crazy.
All right, here's your spoon. Don't mix yet. And here's your spoon. Don't mix yet.
Yeah, no, I was wanting to pop because this
All right, go ahead and mix.
I'm sorry. Yeah. What is my slime going out to be? I don't know. Is it like OMG, Ellie?
It's so pretty.
What about mine? Mine's really good, Tyler, right?
Yeah.
Mine has like all the colors. They didn't even mix.
Mine is the best tie-dye like ever.
Hold on, I don't need this chair. I don't.
Me, though, this chair is weak, you know.
chair is
It's time to mix with the granny hair.
This was supposed to turn purple, but it turned brown.
Oh, Grandma Ellie's kind of hard to mix all.
I have no idea how Ellie's slime turned out. It looks like it.
Guys, what do you guys think is going to be the final color? Leave a comment.
I think mine's gonna be like a green is like wet with like highlights.
Why
in
is
it.
this purple, but on the outside
Ooh, mine looks so appetizing. I feel like everybody will love it.
Green with yellow caviar beads in it. Caviar is fish eggs.
Yeah, I watched it on my cousin's show, but I didn't know exactly what it was.
This looks like
Is caviar good?
green
No,
fish.
no, not this caviar. Like fancy caviar.
Yeah, I like caviar. Oh, look, Ellie, look at this rainbow poop in the middle. Look, it's unicorn poop in the middle of yours.
That's because Ellie's in a gross
The
slime.
booger.
And Ice is a ghost slime.
Ellie's in Boogerland.
And Ice is like blow up purple land with like rainbow eyeballs or pimples.
All right, so guys, here's our final slime. You want to give us a stretch real quick?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, this
Mine
is so
is-
like sticky.
This is the worst slime I ever made.
It's kind of rainbow, Naya. Yours is.
But not on the outside. This
All right,
is
Naya,
what
let's see you stretch it so we can see up close. So you guys, Naya corns can. Naya, are you guys Naya corns?
That's not a baby stretch, bro.
And look at that. I know.
This is a
All
weird
right,
stretch.
and all you Ellie corns, this is what you're working with. But hers has a surprise. There is some rainbow in this, but it's mostly
I need to push it like that.
hers turned green somehow. So whose team are you repping? Are you team Naya corn or are you team Ellie corn?
I think all the boys are team nice.
Let's see.
No, you spilled.
Let's see yours, Naya, Ellie.
I'm gonna make balls that I throw at people.
OMG, Ellie, yours does look like the Grinch.
But it's a little bit lighter.
Look, you have a little rainbow right there that you haven't even stretched. Look.
A little bit of kindness.
So
in
this
there.
is, yeah, that's his little bit of kindness, Naya. I like that. I like how you said that. And this is Naya's. Hers looks like candy slime.
Look, Mom, I made this.
She said it looks like pig guts after he ate candy.
Mommy, look, this is a burger I made for you.
Oh, it does look like hamburger. Ew! Right there. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to Naya versus Ellie. And
If
we
you
will
like
see you on the next video.
Bye, guys. We
Bye,
love you guys and have a good